Welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you're having a great day. Let's do heel toe rodeo. 32 counts, 4 walls, 1 restart after 24 counts on wall 4. Here's a preview of the steps. Starting with the right foot, step, heel, step, toe, step, heel, and rock. Recover and a triple step, turn and a rock, recover and a half turn left, coaster step and a kickball change, right and left and right hitch and a sailor step and a turning sailor step and a walk, turn and a coaster step and a walk, half turn and a coaster step. That's it. That's the 32 counts. Let's break it down. Heel toe rodeo. Right foot, heel, and toe, and heel. So it starts with the right foot going forward. Step, heel, and toe, and heel, and rock, recover right, and a triple step turn over your right shoulder, full turn coming back to 12 o'clock. So step, step, step. And the counts are 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. First 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Second 8. Left foot's free. Just did our triple step turn. Rock, recover forward with your left foot. Rock, left, right. Half turn over your left shoulder, stepping left. Half turn, continue over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot back. Back, left foot's free, coaster step, left coaster step, right kickball step or kickball change. Kickball change. Yes. So the second 8, one more time with words. 5, 6, rock, recover left. Rock, recover, half turn, coaster step, and a kickball change. With counts, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Got it. Third 8. Start with points to our right side, weights on left. So point and point with the left, and point with the right, and a hitch back and touch it. So it starts with point, change point, hitch point. Good. And the counts are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yes. The last part of that is a right sailor step and a left sailor step turning a quarter. So sailor step. Now we're going to turn it with the left foot, a quarter over our left shoulder. Sailor step. Perfect. The counts on the third 8 are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Let's put the first 3 together. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, and left, and rock. Recover and a triple step, turn and a rock. Recover and a half turn, coaster step, and a kickball change, and a point, hitch point, sailor step, and a sailor step. Perfect. Last 8, fourth 8. We're facing our 9 o'clock wall. So we're going to step forward, the right foot, half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with the left, right coaster step back, coaster step. Now repeat, mirror it this way on the 3 o'clock wall. So we step left, back turn with the right, and a left coaster step. You're ready to start again. Your new wall is the 9 o'clock wall. One more time, last 8. Step forward right, half turn, stepping back on the left foot, coaster step right, coaster step. Left foot's free to mirror, but on the other side. Left, step back, right, left, coaster step. Left, right, coaster step, left, right, left, step right, go right, step left, go left. So when you step on your right foot, you turn right. When you step on your left foot, you turn left. It's really the easiest way to go. So it's right, turn right, left, coaster, step, step, left, turn left, coaster, step. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's put it all together from the top. Heel-toe rodeo with words. I think the choreographer wants us to stomp on the right foot to begin, going a little bit forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, and we stomp. Heel and toe and heel and rock, recover, triple step, turn, rock, recover, and half turn, coaster step, and a kickball step. And we point and point, point, hitch, right sailor step, left sailor step, stepping forward, half turn, and a right coaster step. Step left, turn left, and a left coaster step, and you're ready to start at the top. Heel-toe rodeo review with counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's it. Be sure to watch the demo. Here's the restart. Wall 4 after 24 counts. So wall 1, wall 2, wall 3, wall 4. Let's do 24 counts into the restart. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Restart now. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. That's it. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.